Listen to me for a moment. Every single one of us gets the same 24 hours. Not 23, not 25, exactly 24. And yet some people build empires, chase dreams, stay healthy, grow mentally, while others feel stuck, overwhelmed, and constantly running out of time. So what's the difference? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's how they manage their time. Right now, think about your day. How often do you say, "I don't have time"? The truth is, you do have time. You just might not be using it the right way. And that's okay, because today, you're going to learn how to take control of your 24 hours and turn them into something powerful. The first thing you need to understand is this: not all hours are equal. One focused hour can beat 5 distracted hours. If you spend your time scrolling endlessly, jumping from one thing to another, your brain never truly locks in. But when you focus deeply on one task, even for a short time, you create real results. So start small. Pick one important task each day. Just one. Something that actually moves your life forward. And give it your full attention. No phone, no distractions. Just you and that task. You'll be surprised how much you can achieve in just 1 hour of pure focus. Now let's talk about something most people ignore: your mornings. The way you start your day decides how the rest of your day will go. If you wake up and immediately grab your phone, scroll through social media, and react to everything around you, you've already lost control of your time. Instead, take ownership of your morning, even if it's just 30 minutes. Sit quietly, think about your goals, plan your day, maybe read something that inspires you, maybe exercise a little. This is your time. This is where you set the tone for the next 24 hours. And here's something important: stop trying to do everything. You don't need to be busy all the time. Being busy is not the same as being productive. A lot of people fill their day with small, meaningless tasks just to feel like they're doing something. But at the end of the day, focus on what truly matters. Ask yourself, will this task make my life better? If the answer is no, then why are you giving it your time? Another powerful habit is planning your day the night before. It sounds simple, but it changes everything. When you wake up with a clear plan, you don't waste time thinking about what to do next. You already know. You already have direction. Write down your top 3 priorities for the next day. Not 10 things, not a long list, just 3. This keeps you focused and prevents overwhelm. And once you complete those 3 tasks, everything else becomes a bonus. Now let's be real for a second. Distractions are everywhere. Your phone, notifications, social media, they're designed to steal your time. And if you're not careful, they will. So you need to create boundaries. Turn off unnecessary notifications. Keep your phone away when you're working. Give yourself specific times to check social media instead of checking it every 5 minutes. You don't need to quit everything. You just need to control it before it controls you. And don't forget about rest. Managing your 24 hours doesn't mean working all the time. If you burn yourself out, you lose focus, energy, and motivation. Rest is not a waste of time. It's a part of productivity. Sleep properly. Take short breaks. Give your mind time to reset. Because a fresh mind works faster, thinks clearer, and performs better. Also, learn to say no. This is one of the hardest but most powerful skills. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you are saying no to something important. Protect your time like it's your most valuable asset, because it is. And remember this, you don't need a perfect routine. You just need a consistent one. Some days will go off track. Some days won't be perfect. That's normal. What matters is that you keep going. Every day is a new chance to do better. A new chance to use your time wisely. A new chance to move one step closer to your goals. Imagine this. Imagine this. If you improve just 1% every day, in 1 year, your life will completely change. Not because of one big action, but because of small, consistent actions repeated over time. Your 24 hours are your life. How you spend them is who you become. So stop waiting. Stop wasting time on things that don't matter. Take control. Start now. Because the truth is, Successful people don't have more time than you. They just use their 24 hours better.